We are presentation group 6 about hospitalizing and simple past tense for Muhammad Ihsan, Muhammad Saleh, Nuri Asni, Dewi Siti Maryani, and Eni Endarwati. Next. Conversation Ernurs, Eni, Pevi Nurs, Dewi, Felis, Banuri, Mr. Gomes, Pak Ihsan. Okay. Felis is transferred from emergency room air to VIP room by the VIP nurse who is in charge is welcome them.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is the new patient for air?
Yeah, air is meaning emergency room. Jangan bilang air.
Okay.
Iya, bilang aja emergency room atau kalau mau disingkat ER.
Oh, ER.
Jangan dibaca IR.
Yeah.
Yeah. Repeat again, please.
Next.
Yes, she is. She is Feliz. She is with her father, Mr. Gomez. She suffers typhus.
All right. Hello, Feliz and Mr. Gomez. I'm Nurse Felon. Welcome in Fairview Ward. We have prepared the room includes all the facilities. I hope you will feel comfortable and if you need any help, I'll be here to help you. Now I will take you to room 3.
I almost forget. This is the medical record. Please take care of her well.
Yes, of course. Let me see. The Faith nurse read the medical record. All right, Feliz Gomez, 11 years old.
That's right, nurse.
Well, I shall go back to my room, nurse, Mr. Gomez. Hopefully, your doctor will be better soon.
Nggak tahu bahasa Inggris.
Don't worry, the nurse will take care of your doctor well. Continue, Mr. Gomez.
Ihsan. Ihsan. Okay, Mr. Gomez. Thank you, nurse. Yes, of course. I have no worry because I trust you. You all will take care of my doctor well. VIP nurse. Her is VIP 3 Feliz and Mr. Gomez welcome. You may look around to know where everything is. Later, I'll come back and ask you some questions.
Okay, thank you.
This is pajamas, Feliz. You have to wear this.
Okay, nice. Father, can you help me to wear this?
Yes, of course. Well, I'll take the infusion while you change her clothes. Okay, next. All right. Have you had your pajamas on?
Yes, I have, nurse.
All right. Now I will.
All right. Now All right, now I will apply the infusion, but before it, I will put on this identity bracelet on your wrist.
Okay, nurse.
Okay, it's finished now. Would you please lay down here?
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Nggak apa-apa.
Okay, it is hopeful you feel comfortable here. We will try our best to give you a good treatment so you can get well soon. Amin.
Thank you, nurse.
No worries, sir. This is my duty to provide the best service for all customers in this hospital. Here's the nurse call. Just press the button if you need some help.
Okay, nurse.
There is refrigerator on the left side on the corner, and there are TV set and air conditioner.
Okay, nurse. By the way, where are the remote control for AC and TV set?
Oh, I'm sorry. Here they are. The bedroom is over there on the right side. Do you need help to go to the bedroom, Felice?
Don't worry, I will help for nurse.
All right. Is there anything else you need?
Mr. Gomez.
I will call you if you'll need help, nurse.
Okay, then I'll go back to my room. I'll be back here to check everything after you lunch.
Okay.
Don't hesitate to call me whenever you need help or assistance.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oke. Untuk artinya, bacain ya. Percakapan menerima.
Nggak usah dibaca.
Oh, nggak usah dibaca.
Readingnya
Okay.
aja yang dibaca tuh.
Oke. Next.
Okay, next. Next slide, please.
Next. Kari, next. Kari.
Bu Dede, next Bu Dede.
Maaf. Terus, next.
Next.
Next. Next lagi. Next. Oke, Pak Soleh.
Lalu kebablasan.
Kebablasan.
Oke, lanjut fokus models. Basic models. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, there. Can do it, call do it, had better do it, may do it, might do it, must do it, ought to do it, shall do it, shall do it, will do it, won't do it. Next, Bu Dede. Models do not take as final even when the subject is she, he, or it. Correct, he can do it. Incorrect, he can't do it. Models are followed immediately by the symbol from verb. Correct, he can do it. Incorrect, he can do it. He can does it. She can did it. Dibaca nih. Modal tidak mengambil as final bahkan ketika subjek adalah dia atau itu. Benar, dia bisa melakukannya. Tidak benar, dia bisa melakukannya. Modal diikuti segera oleh bentuk sederhana dari kata kerja. Benar, dia bisa melakukannya. Incorrect, tidak benar, dia bisa melakukannya. Dia bisa melakukannya, dia bisa melakukannya. Atau dia melakukannya. Request with models. May I call I? May I please borrow your books? Call I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? May I and call equality police? Can I is usually considered in a little less polished than my I or call I. Typical response. Certainly is certainly. Of course, yes, of course. Sure, informal. Would you open the door for me, please? What you is more common and is considered more. Will you please open the door for me? Can you is order asset informality? Call you open to the door for me, please. Typical respondent. Yes, I did. I will be happy to be good too. Certainly, sure, informal. Would you mind asking permission? Would you mind if close to door? Would you mind if I borrow your pen? Would you mind if I is followed by the simple past tense? Typical response, no. Not at all, of course not. No, that will be fine. Asking someone to do something. Would you mind close the door? Excuse me, would you mind helping me to do is? Would you mind is followed by it gone? Typical response, no, I'd be happy to. No, at all, I'd be glad to. Sure or okay, informal.
Medical English vocabulary. Here is some essential vocabulary for nurse and medical professional. Abnormal adjective, meaningnya not normal for the human body atau tidak normal. Noun atau verb, meaningnya pain that won't go away, sakit yang tidak kunjung hilang. Acute adject, quick to become shiver out of bed, akut sakit keras atau berat. Allergy noun, body abnormal reaction to certain food or environmental, reaksi abnormal tubuh terhadap makanan atau lingkungan tertentu. Alergi, substance, bahan atau zat yang menyebabkan demam. Ambulan, emergency vehicle that brought people to a hospital. Kendaraan darurat yang membawa pasien atau penderita menuju rumah sakit. Amnesia, a condition that cause people to lose their memory. Sebuah kondisi yang menyebabkan orang kehilangan memorinya. Next. Amputation, permanent remove of a limb, penglihatan anggota badan secara permanen. Anemia occurs where the body doesn't have enough red blood cell. Terjadi ketika tubuh tidak memiliki cukup sel darah merah. Antibiotic medication that kill bacteria and cause infection. Obat yang berfungsi membunuh bakteri dan menyembuhkan infeksi. Antidepressant medication that helps relieve anxiety and sadness. Obat yang membantu menghilangkan atau mengurangi kegelisahan dan kesedihan. Appointment, a schedule meeting with a medical professional. Pertemuan terjadwal dengan ahli medis. Arthritis, a disease that causes the joints to be well and cracked. Penyakit yang menyebabkan tulang sendi membengkak dan pincang atau timpang. Asthma, a condition that causes a block of the airway and makes it difficult for a person to breathe. Sebuah kondisi yang menyebabkan halangan pada jalur arus udara dan membuat seseorang sulit bernapas. Next. Bacteria, a disease-causing organism. Organisme penyebab penyakit. Bed sore, what develop on a patient body from playing in on place for too long. Luka pada tubuh pasien karena berbaring terlalu lama. Benign, not harmful, tidak berbahaya. Biopsy, removal of human tissue in order to conduct certain medical tests. Penghilang jaringan sebelum tes medis. Blood count, the amount of red and white blood cell a person has. Banyaknya sel darah putih dan sel darah merah yang dimiliki seseorang. Blood donor, a person who gives blood to a blood bank or the person. Seseorang yang menyumbangkan darahnya pada bank darah atau pada orang lain. Blood pressure, the rate at which blood flows through the body. Tinggi rendahnya tekanan darah yang mengalir dalam tubuh. Breast noun, a device that holds injured body parts in place. Alat yang menjepit atau penahan bagian tubuh yang terluka. Breech, position of an unborn baby in which the feet are down and the head is up. Posisi bayi yang belum lahir di mana kaki berada di bawah dan kepala di bagian atas. Broken, a bone that is defaced in two or more pieces as result on the injury. Tulang yang berbagi dalam dua bagian atau lebih akibat luka. Bruise, injured body tissue that is visible underneath the skin. Jaringan tubuh yang luka terlihat di bawah kulit. Cesarean section, procedure that involves removing a baby from its mother through incision in the woman's lower abdomen. Prosedur pengambilan bayi dari ibunya melalui proses pembedalan atau pembedahan pada perut bagian bawah. Cancer, disease caused by the uncontrollable growth of cell. Penyakit yang disebabkan oleh pembunuh sel yang tak terkontrol. Cardiopulmonary atau CPR. Restoring a person breath and circulation. Pemulihan napas dan peredaran seseorang. Yes, heart bandage. This is wrapped around broke down in to keep it in place. Perban keras yang dibungkus sekitar tulang yang retak untuk menjaganya tetap di tempatnya semula. Chemoterapi, type of treatment used on cancer patient, perawat pada pasien kanker. Chickenpox, a virus commonly spread by children, characterized by its spot all over the body. Virus yang biasanya diidap oleh anak-anak dicirikan dengan bintik gatal di seluruh bagian tubuh. Coroner, person who determines the cause of death after a person dies. Seseorang yang menetapkan penyebab kematian setelah seseorang meninggal. Critical condition, requiring in immediate and constant medical attention. membutuhkan perhatian medis yang segera dan konstan. Crutch, object that people with injury legs or feet use to help them walk. Objek yang digunakan oleh orang yang terluka pada bagian kaki untuk membantu berjalan. Oke. Di sini ada simple past tense. Simple past tense is a simple form of verb to subject of past events. In simple past tense, the time of occurrence yesterday, the last 2 days, last year, or the time period for 2 months, for 1 day, for 1 hour can be adjusted specifically. Yang artinya simple past tense adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja sederhana untuk menunjukkan bahwa suatu kejadian terjadi di masa lampau pada simple past tense waktu kejadian, yesterday, last today, last year, atau periode waktu for 2 months, for a day, for an hour, dapat disebutkan secara spesifik. Oke. Rumus simple past tense subject infinitive verb to. I studied verb to-nya. You, di sini subjeknya I, you, they, we, she, he, it. Gitu. Infinitive-nya buy, break, study. Verb to-nya broke. Terus subjek I, see, he, it. Infinitive-nya be. Verb keduanya was. Subjek you, they, we. Infinitive-nya be. Verb to-nya were. Oke, lanjut. Rumus simple past tense kalimat positif, negatif, dan integratif. Kalimat positif, subject, verb to, past tense. I visited my grandmother home last night. Saya mengunjungi rumah nenek kemarin. Sebenarnya he was or where. Was on the table last night. Buku itu berada di atas meja kemarin sore. Kalimat negatifnya, subject did not infinitive. I didn't visit my grandmother house last night. Saya tidak mengunjungi rumah nenek kemarin malam. CB was or were not. The book wasn't on the table last night. Buku itu tidak berada di atas meja kemarin. Kalimat integratif tanda tanya. Did subject infinitive. Did I visit my grandmother house last night? Apakah saya mengunjungi rumah nenek kemarin malam? Be was or were subject. Was the book on the table last night? Apakah buku itu berada di atas meja kemarin malam? Next. Time expression pada simple past tense. Berikut beberapa time expression, keterangan waktu yang terdapat pada simple past tense. Misalnya yesterday, kemarin, last night, semalam atau minggu lalu, tahun lalu, waktu yang lalu. Gitu. This morning, pagi ini, 1 hour, day, week, month, year ago. 1 jam, hari minggu, bulan atau tahun lalu. In January, di bulan Januari. On Saturday, pada hari Sabtu. When, as verb to, when he arrived. When I was stuck in traffic jam. Lanjut. Oke. Exercise simple past tense. Oke, bisa sama-sama kita terjemahin ini pertanyaan. Number 1. Mereka sangat gembira bertemu para seniman itu. Tolong di bahasa Inggris kan.